everybody, it's Mark and Courtney, and we are renovating a home in the Lawrenceville neighborhood of Pittsburgh. We love it so much, and we worked with the Millwork Shop at 84 Lumber on our beautiful front doors.
I tried desperately to salvage the old doors, but they couldn't be salvaged. We brought them to Bob at the Millwork Shop to see if he could help us put them back together, but they couldn't. So instead they decided to recreate the doors pretty much exactly how they were. This time with glass in them. The old doors didn't have glass in them.
Yeah, so we went with mahogany wood. We absolutely love the color. We didn't even have to stain it. We just put this clear protectant on it so you really see the natural beauty of the wood. We did these arched glass panels, and then we also had them make us a transom window above. We cannot wait to work with the Millwork Shop on the interior of our home. Our next project with 84 is to do some gorgeous floor-to-ceiling built-ins here in our living room that will flank our fireplace. We can't wait.
We can't wait to work with the 84 team again.